What's going on, Truck 180 family? Today, I've got a shop tip, a little bit of wire cleanliness for you. Something I wish I knew when I was way younger. It would have helped a lot of things. So what we've got here is our wire and some wire loom. We want to make this stuff look nice and clean and pretty against a frame rail or firewall or something like that, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap our wire, just like everybody does, with a wire loom. Boom. It's in there, right? So wire's in the wire loom. Now we want to mount it next to the firewall, next to the frame rail, something like this. So all we need is 2 zip ties to do that. So we're going to secure our first zip tie where we need it in the firewall or frame rail, right? And boom, you've got your wire loom zip tied. Secondly, we like it placed right here in this hole in the firewall. So now our zip tie extends through the frame rail. So on the back side of that, we're going to utilize this fender washer that we have here. Slide that up against there. Utilize the same style zip tie, and we're gonna go ahead and run that zip tie all the way up to the fender washer. Now our wiring's nice and secure, and just a couple trims. We have a super clean mounted wire loom, and that's it. You don't have to wait for that stuff to come in on Amazon with those fancy little folding clips that are a pain in the butt to get off. That's easy. You cut it for another penny. You can do it again next week if you need to rerun wires. There you go.